All right, let's finish this up. We left off on protein. I feel like there was something I wanted to mention about fat, but I can't think of it. So we're just gonna move on to protein. So let's go to estimated protein needs. You need your weight in kilograms, which mine was 75, I think. I just have all my stuff written down right here. So 75 times 0.8, which is the recommendation. So 75 times 0.8, that gives me 60 grams of protein a day. So I was in the negative balance, so I'm going to do this again. Also, this video is just to show y'all how to do everything. So if my numbers are wrong, or if they're right, whatever, just use your numbers. I just wanted to get y'all oriented with what reports you're going to and like how to do the actual calculations. So sorry if they're wrong. I guess they're not wrong, and I need to eat more. So here we go. Negative energy balance. Multiply your weight by 1 instead of 0.8 to calculate protein needs. So 75 grams. Okay, grams of protein per day from your 3-day average. So I had 52. Is that 52? Yeah, 52 grams. So my actual protein intake divided by my weight to figure out how much I consumed per kilogram. So 52 grams divided by 25 equals about 60 or 0.69. I'm going to do 0.7. So definitely below my protein needs based on the RDA. That's where you would write this here. 2 sentences or less. Just say, you know, I was in a negative energy balance, and the recommendation is to get 1 gram of protein per kilogram, and I was getting 0.7 grams, which is below. All right, evaluation of our micronutrients. You're going to use the 3-day average report to identify percent of your recommended DRI values for each vitamin and mineral that is listed in this chart. So we have the tips here. Any nutrient that falls under 66% of the DRI, you need to list 2 foods that you could eat that would be a good source of that nutrient. So if you are below 66% in vitamin A, you could list sweet potatoes and carrots. For sodium, include 2 changes that you could make if your sodium intake is more, excuse me. Oh, I have a sneeze coming on and it's not coming. I'm sorry. So if your sodium intake is over 300% of the DRI, you need to include 2 changes that you could make. I don't want to give anything away, but y'all can figure that out. Make sure you list the percent of the DRI, not the actual value of the micronutrient. So here we have an example, vitamin A. All right, let's look in the 3-day report and see what it's saying. All right, so, this column is your percentage of DRI. So this is what it was saying where you want to put this and not this. So down on vitamin A, I was at 88.2%. I'm just going to do 88%. So I'm good. I don't need to list foods. Vitamin B1. Oh, are they listed? You know, this is me failing my test, not knowing which one is vitamin B1. This is embarrassing. Hold on. Thiamine. Alright, so thiamine, here we have, I'm at 102%. I'm in between 66 and 33. B2. Obviously I need to study my vitamin names. Not something I use every day. Let's see. I'm assuming it just goes down the list. This is riboflavin. Yeah. So I'm at 135. I'm just going to go ahead and look at all of these. You can see vitamin B12 is at 32%, which is below the 66% here. So I'm going to go ahead and put that. And I was at 32%. So I'm low in B12. I'm going to put, I don't know, cheese and chicken. Probably not the best options, but whatever. Let's see if there are any others that are below. Yeah, so my vitamin D was way below. I don't even see vitamin D on here. Alright, whatever. Vitamin D is not on here. Vitamin A, I'm well over, so that's a good example. Whoa. Okay, well, it's either or. Whatever, let's see if there are any other ones. Calcium is below, potassium's below. So I can just go ahead and look at those, enter those in. Anything that was below, you're going to put 2 foods you could eat. And then what does it say for sodium? If your intake is over 300%, my sodium is at 181%. So it's not over 300%. I don't have to list choices, but I would go ahead and put in here where it was at. And that's it. Maybe a little time consuming, but this template is very well laid out to where you should be able to figure everything out and calculate everything. It tells you exactly what you need and where to find it. Make sure you double check your answers and the numbers you're getting. Again, like I said, this is not a tool for you to use to drastically change your diet and exercise. But like you can see here, I'm low in B12, so maybe it is a good idea for me to increase my B12 consumption. So yeah, that is part 3. You are just going to save as a PDF right here, and I'm going to put LAP part 3 underscore my last name. That's how you save it. And then we can go to part 3 and upload that as one document. That's part 3. That's all you have to do. Probably the most intensive part. yeah, let me know if you have any questions about this. I hope I didn't make it even more confusing making this video. Just let us know if you need any help.